is David Garcia. I'm 56 years old. I work for Region 19. I work as a maintenance or facility person there. I do grounds, I do maintenance. It's a program for lower income families, and we have different sites. We have 32 sites. And where I'm at is where the administration and two small schools where children from 0 to 4 years old. My reason for visiting Dr. Jimenez is I had really bad pain on my lower back. I could hardly walk. I had problems walking, really painful, where to the point that I couldn't walk. And that pain just got really hard and painful. And I had to come see Dr. Jimenez. Well, little by little, the pain started slowly, and it grew to the point where I just couldn't stand it, where just the walking and picking up heavy stuff, heavy equipment, it just got to the point where it got to me where I couldn't walk anymore. The pain, my lower back has affected me a lot, everywhere, like the basic things like putting on my shorts, my pads, tying up my shoes, getting into the car. Like walking, sometimes I have to stop when I walk long distance. Even when I'm sitting down too, it gets painful. In daily life, it's painful and just doing little things. I heard about Dr. Jimenez through my sister, and she came to visit him. She said it was great to him, and she helped him a lot. It's been 2 years since I had this pain on and off. It hasn't gone away. Sometimes it's worse. Through those 2 years, it's gotten worse. And that's when I had to see Dr. Jimenez. Dr. Jimenez has helped me a lot. He has, the pain is less. It's not painful. It's where my back is able to loosen up, start to walk better, and the pain has gone. Not completely, but it's on its way. I think it's helped me tremendously, where I couldn't bend at times, and now I can easily, bend down and stretch. And the sessions that I've been here, every time it's helped a lot. Oh, he's the best at talking to me about what's my problem and what I have to work on, and for me to help myself on a daily basis and what I need to do. Plus the work he does on me, the movements and the stretching and the massages that he has provided for me, it's helped tremendously. So I recommend Dr. Jimenez. He's a great doctor. He communicates very well with the patients, and he tries to help you wherever you need it in every way. And I do recommend him.